Welcome to the 8th episode of Medical Affairs Digest podcast, where we delve into the evolving landscape of patient centricity within the pharmaceutical industry. Throughout this series, we uncover important themes and modern trends shaping global pharma. I'm thrilled to lead you through today's exploration of patient-centric approach in pharma, the shift towards patient engagement and feedback. In this episode, we'll explore how the healthcare and pharmaceutical industries are increasingly embracing a patient-centric approach. This fundamental shift emphasizes the active involvement of patients and the integration of their feedback into every stage of drug development and healthcare delivery. We'll delve into the reasons behind this evolution and the promising benefits it holds for patient care. Welcome to the Medical Affairs Digest podcast. Let's get started. The healthcare industry, particularly the pharmaceutical sector, has increasingly recognized the importance of a patient-centric approach. This paradigm shift emphasizes the active involvement of patients in the pharmaceutical industry by incorporating patient feedback and engagement into every stage of drug development and healthcare delivery. This evolution towards patient centricity promises to enhance patient outcomes, boost treatment adherence, and elevate overall patient satisfaction. The evolution of patient centricity in pharma. Historical perspective. Historically, the traditional pharmaceutical industry had centered its efforts on drug development and sales. This approach prioritized scientific innovation and market share over patient experience and feedback. The primary focus was on discovering new drugs, bringing them to market, and ensuring their profitability. However, this model often overlooked patients' individual needs and perspectives, leading to a gap between drug efficacy in clinical trials and real-world patient experiences. Drivers of change. Several factors have catalyzed the shift towards a more patient-centric approach in the pharmaceutical industry. Regulatory pressures have increasingly mandated patient engagement in clinical trials and post-market surveillance. Technological advancements have empowered patients with information and tools to manage their health. Additionally, changing patient expectations, driven by a more informed and proactive patient population, has pushed the industry to adopt practices prioritizing patient needs and preferences. Defining patient centricity. What is patient centricity? Patient centricity refers to a healthcare approach that places the patient at the center of decision-making processes. It involves active patient engagement, personalized medicine, and continuous patient feedback loops. This approach ensures that patient perspectives shape the development, delivery, and improvement of healthcare products and services. Benefits of patient-centric approach. The benefits of a patient-centric approach are manifold, including better patient outcomes, increased treatment adherence, and improved healthcare delivery. Improved patient outcomes are achieved as treatments are tailored to individual rather than generalized needs. Similarly, increased adherence to treatments results from patients feeling more involved and informed about their healthcare decisions. Additionally, a patient-centric approach leads to better overall healthcare experiences, fostering a sense of partnership between patients and healthcare providers. Methods of engaging patients. Digital tools and platforms. Digital health tools, such as mobile apps and online portals, play a crucial role in facilitating patient engagement. These platforms give patients easy access to health information, treatment plans, and direct communication with healthcare providers. They also enable remote monitoring and management of chronic conditions, enhancing patient convenience and compliance. Patient advisory boards. Patient advisory boards are instrumental in incorporating patient feedback into the drug development process. These boards consist of representative groups of patients who provide insights and feedback on their experiences with diseases and treatments. Their input helps pharmaceutical companies develop more effective and patient-friendly drugs. Virtual advisory board platforms also exist that provide a unique collaboration opportunity for pharmaceutical companies and physicians. Community and support programs. Community initiatives and support programs are essential for educating and empowering patients. These programs offer patients resources, education, and support networks that help them better manage their health conditions. They also foster a sense of community and shared experience among patients, enhancing their overall well-being. The role of surveys and feedback mechanisms. Importance of patient feedback. Patient surveys and feedback mechanisms are vital for understanding patient needs and improving treatments. These tools gather valuable insights into patient experiences, preferences, and outcomes, which can be used to refine and optimize healthcare products and services. Case study. One notable example of effective patient feedback collection is the VOICE, Virtual Opinions Poll Independent Centered on CLL Patients' Experience, survey developed by MPHR. This survey aimed to digitally gather comprehensive insights from CLL patients about their knowledge, treatment experiences, and unmet needs. The findings are used to inform better healthcare practices and enhance patient education. The Voice Survey, a case study. Background. The Voice, Virtual Opinions Poll Independent Centered on CLL Patients' Experience, survey, developed by MPHAR, aimed to assess the knowledge, perspectives, and unmet needs of patients with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL. Conducted between March and December 2022 across 12 countries, the survey received responses from 377 patients with at least one line of previous CLL treatment. Respondents were from Europe, Latin America, the United States, Australia, Egypt, and Turkey. Objectives and methodology. The survey aimed to understand patient experiences and preferences regarding CLL diagnosis and treatment. Developed and distributed by clinicians and patient advocacy group representatives, it addressed critical areas of patient concern and knowledge. Key findings. The Voice survey provided several important insights into the patient experience with CLL. 1. Information sources. Most patients relied on their physicians for information about CLL and its treatments. 2. Treatment preferences. High-risk patients preferred oral medications over intravenous options, fixed-duration treatments over ongoing ones, and outpatient care over inpatient treatments. 3. Involvement in treatment decisions. A substantial number of patients wanted to be involved in treatment decisions, though fewer actually participated in these decisions. 4th, awareness and vulnerability. Many patients were unaware that CLL increased their susceptibility to infections, despite the availability of COVID-19 vaccinations. 5. Communication and understanding. Most patients reported that their physicians explained treatment options clearly and that they understood their treatments. 6. Response to side effects. Patients showed varying responses to treatment-related side effects, with some willing to continue treatment despite experiencing serious issues, while others considered stopping treatment for less severe conditions. These findings highlighted gaps in patient knowledge regarding risk groups, infection vulnerability, and treatment side effects. Impact on patient education. The data from the VOICE survey is crucial for enhancing patient education. By identifying specific areas where patient knowledge is lacking, the survey informs targeted educational initiatives to improve patient understanding and management of CLL. Global reach. With contributions from 127 international patient associations, the findings of the Voice survey are being disseminated to over 90,000 CLL patients worldwide. This ensures that diverse patient populations benefit from the insights and educational resources developed based on the survey data. Educational portals and patient empowerment. Educational portal overview. An online portal featuring educational materials based on the experiences of chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL patients, collected through the Voice Virtual Opinions Poll independent centered on CLL Patients Experience Survey, has been tailored for 127 patient associations worldwide. Learning objectives. The portal consists of 10 modules designed to help patients communicate effectively with their physicians and discuss their disease and its management more openly. Understand how to manage COVID-19 and its impact on their condition. Learn about risk groups and treatment implications to make informed decisions during consultations with their doctors. Enhance their education and knowledge related to safety and treatment options. Patient testimonials. Patients who have used the educational portal have reported significant benefits. One patient noted, "The portal has given me the confidence to discuss my treatment options with my doctor more effectively." Another patient shared, "Understanding my condition better has made managing it much less overwhelming." The future of patient-centric pharma. Emerging trends. The future of patient-centric pharma will likely see advancements in personalized medicine and AI-driven patient engagement tools. These innovations can enable even more tailored and responsive healthcare solutions, enhancing patient outcomes. Ongoing challenges. Despite the progress, challenges remain in fully embracing patient-centric approaches. Data privacy concerns and ensuring equitable access to patient engagement tools are significant issues that need to be addressed. Conclusion. The shift towards a patient-centric approach in the pharmaceutical industry represents a significant transformation in healthcare. By prioritizing patient engagement and feedback, the industry aims to enhance patient outcomes, treatment adherence, and overall healthcare experiences. The Voice survey by MFSR is a prime example, providing valuable insights into the needs of CLL patients and informing the creation of a global educational portal. This portal, designed for 127 patient associations, helps patients manage their condition, communicate effectively with physicians, understand risk groups, and navigate COVID-19 challenges. Future advancements in personalized medicine and AI-driven tools will further refine patient care, though challenges like data privacy and equitable access remain. Ultimately, a patient-centric approach ensures patients' voices are central to healthcare delivery, leading to better outcomes and higher satisfaction.